basically lift the bucket up, so I
So
lift
it's like this and pull back, right?
Yeah.
So drop the bucket down. And now pull back. Like angle it a bit. Not to angle it down though. Yep, so pull back yourself, but remember you gotta look behind you still. Okay, stop. Go forward again and do it some more.
Oh, sorry, girl.
And stop. Look it down. Back up. Watch the tree and the hydraulic lines.
Alrighty.
Go forward. Yeah, you're good. Go this way though. Good. Back up. Start going towards my truck. Okay, stop so you don't get it. Go forward. And then back up to there so we can push another line of snow, okay? Watch my truck. You can keep going back further. That's good. Now go to your next line up to your next line and push the snow again. Like a little lower, yeah. And make sure your bucket's a little bit more flat, not so angled.
So it's flat like that.
Yeah, you're good. Back up. Not really touching. Put your bucket down. Don't angle it too much though. Down. Down, down, down. Good. Now go forward. Down more. Follow your same line.
Really a girl or a boy?
Stop going that way.
We're drifting. We're
Yeah,
drifting.
it's okay, it's okay. Up, down. Stop when you're drifting because you don't want to keep going.
Oh, we're fucking drifting. I'm sorry,
I
Lily.
didn't want you to go in so far this time because it was harder for you to get out last time.
Alright, that's good enough video.